What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and I got something exciting for you. This is the Signa S1 budget soundbar. Now, I call it a budget soundbar because this $150 soundbar packs in so many features like Bluetooth, a wireless subwoofer, Dolby Digital encoding, and voice adjust. It's a patented feature by Polk that makes dialogue sound a lot better. So guys, I don't know about you, but I think this soundbar might be a win, especially for a lot of you guys that don't have tons of money and want to get great sound. This soundbar puts out sound just like the big boys do. Let's see what's inside the box, shall we? I got my handy dandy wrench and we're gonna go into town. Alrighty then. Okay. So now once you go into the box right here, the remote control comes out just like so. And we can take a quick look at the remote control. Now this remote control is very simple, only has a few buttons on it, but I think it'll do the trick. Let me first state that this soundbar does not have an HDMI slot, so it's optical or 3.5mm jack only. So that may be a con to some of you guys, and it may not. So if you go into the box right here, you're gonna find your wires. We've got an optical cable of seemingly normal variety and 2 power cables. We're going to need those in a minute, so just tuck them somewhere where you won't lose them. So now we're going to go inside the box here. Out comes the subwoofer here. Okay guys, we got the subwoofer right here, and I've got to say it's not too heavy. I like the glossy finish in the front there. Makes it look pretty cool, and it's really not that heavy. And you've just got a bar sync button and a power cable button. And then if you look on the bottom, it has 4 little things to not damage the floor. So this is a nice, simple design, guys. We're gonna pull out the soundbar now, the star of the show. And this is very light as well. It's gonna be 2 inches in diameter, and it's got 2 regular 1.25 inch drivers and 2 tweeters that are 1 inch, I believe. So you should get some pretty nice sound out of the soundbar right here. Not a bad looking soundbar. Premium theater sound with voice adjust, all cables included, Dolby audio, wireless subwoofer, and Bluetooth. Now those features are built right in, and it makes it really simple for you guys if this is your first soundbar. And I think it's rather sleek looking. In the back we've got 2 little keyholes that you can mount this really simply with 2 screws. So it doesn't get any better than that, guys. I mean, that's so simple. Ports here. We've got your power right there. That's where your power goes. And then the auxiliary and the aux go right there. Very simple design, guys. It doesn't get any easier. And I think that's about it, guys. You're gonna have some instructions right here. I say we go into the living room, set this bad boy up. Okay guys, it doesn't get any more simple than this. All you need is the 1 optical wire and the 2 power cables like I said before. Now we've got the subwoofer set up right here and the soundbar itself right here. So what I'm going to do is turn on the TV, change some settings around. I have a C7 OLED, so it's just going to involve changing the optical source. And then we're going to see if the subwoofer auto connects or not. So I've hooked this up with no issues at all. You can see right there, it's giving me 5.1, and I'm still able to get Dolby Vision, but the sound has changed from Dolby Atmos, which is what the TV is normally set to 5.1 with the soundbar. So that's basically it, guys. I think after I test out the soundbar a little bit more, and I can really get a feel for how it sounds, then I can let you guys know how much of a good buy it is. But for right now, the simple setup and the 3 features with this soundbar for $150, that's Dolby Digital, Bluetooth, and the wireless subwoofer. Maybe those features are becoming more standard, and that's why they can do this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You think this is a great budget soundbar, or do you think you could spend a little bit more money and get some more features? So if you enjoyed this video, smack that like button, and remember to subscribe with notifications on. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Peace.